Before anything else, let me ask you one question. What if the real reason your life feels hard is not money, not people, not bad luck, but because your mind is not under your control? Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Think about that. If your mind is weak, every small problem feels heavy. If your mind is strong, even heavy problems feel light. Most people spend their whole lives trying to control the world. They try to control people. They try to control outcomes. They try to control luck, and they fail every time. But the Stoics discovered something powerful. You don't need to control the world to live a strong, peaceful, meaningful life. You only need to control yourself. If you are here right now, do not skip this video. Do not rush. Do not distract yourself. If you are watching this, you are not like most people. Act like it. This video can change how you think, how you react, and how you live. Let us begin. 1. Know what you can and cannot control. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, said, "Some things are up to us, and some things are not." This one idea can change your entire life. Most people suffer because they fight things they were never meant to control. You cannot control other people's opinions, other people's actions, the past random events. But you can control your thoughts, your actions, your effort, your attitude. Imagine two people stuck in traffic. One screams, curses, and gets angry. The other stays calm, listens to music, and breathes. Same traffic, same delay, different minds, different lives. The first person loses peace. The second keeps it. Every time you feel stressed, ask yourself, is this under my control? If the answer is no, let it go. If the answer is yes, act calmly. This rule alone can save you years of pain. 2. Stop reacting. Start responding. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed." Most people live like this. Something happens, emotion explodes, words fly, regret follows. The Stoic way is different. Something happens, pause, choose, act wisely. That pause is power. A child reacts, a wise person responds. When someone insults you, you do not need to answer immediately. When something goes wrong, you do not need to panic. Your strength lives in the space between the event and your reaction. Train yourself to pause, take one breath, then decide. This is how you become unbreakable. 3. Do the right thing, even when it is hard. Stoics believe character is everything. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Doing the right thing is often hard. Telling the truth is hard. Being honest is hard. Being disciplined is hard. But regret is harder. Every day you face small choices. Do I work or avoid? Do I speak truth or lie? Do I stay strong or give up? Small choices build big lives. You do not become strong in one moment. You become strong by choosing right again and again, even when no one is watching, especially then. 4. Embrace discomfort. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Modern life teaches comfort. The Stoics taught strength. Comfort makes you weak. Discomfort makes you grow. Cold showers, hard conversations, early effort, delayed pleasure. These things shape character. If you always choose comfort, life will feel hard. If you choose hard things, life becomes easier. Train yourself to do one uncomfortable thing every day, not to suffer, but to grow. 5. Remove useless desires. Epictetus taught, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Most suffering comes from wanting too much, wanting approval, wanting attention, wanting things you don't need. The Stoics lived simply so their minds could be free. Ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it? Freedom begins when desire ends. Rule 6. Practice silence and self-reflection. Marcus Aurelius wrote his thoughts in private, not to impress, not to perform, but to understand himself. Most people are loud, very few are deep. Spend time alone, write your thoughts, question your actions. Silence reveals truth. A loud mind cannot hear wisdom. 7. Accept people as they are. Marcus Aurelius said, "When you wake up, tell yourself, today I will meet people who are rude, selfish, and unkind." People will disappoint you. Expecting perfection leads to suffering. Accept human nature. When someone is rude, do not be surprised. When someone fails you, do not collapse. Expect less. Prepare more. This is peace. 8. Use setbacks as training. Every problem is training. Every failure is a lesson. The Stoics believed obstacles are the way forward. Ask, what can this teach me? How can this make me stronger? Do not waste pain. Pain is expensive. Learn from it. 9. Remember that time is limited. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, you could leave life right now. This is not fear. This is clarity. Life is short. Do not delay courage. Do not delay honesty. Do not delay becoming who you should be. One day there will be no tomorrow. Live today with purpose. 10. End each day with gratitude and honesty. Before sleep, ask, what did I do well? What can I do better? What am I grateful for? Gratitude creates peace. Honesty creates growth. Together, they create wisdom. The Stoics were not superhuman. They felt pain. They felt fear. They felt loss. But they trained their minds, and you can too. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need approval. You do not need luck. You need discipline. You need awareness. You need courage. Start small. Start today, because the world may be chaotic, but your mind does not have to be. Wisdom grows with repetition. Subscribe so these ideas stay close when you need them most.